Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is continuous. It is pronounced con-tin-u-us, and it is spelt C-O-N-T-I-N-U-O-U-S. Think cont in the letter U and then O-U-S. Continuous means something that happens without interruption. It's a way to describe something that is unbroken, unending, or ongoing. For example, you could say, the continuous music seemed to dance through my ears at the party. Or, the journey was continuous and took all day. The word continuous comes from the Latin word continuus, which means unbroken or uninterrupted, the same as today. In Peter Pan by J.M. Barrie, Neverland is an island of timeless and never-ending nature, where Peter Pan and the Lost Boys never grow up. They live eternally in a continuous childhood and have many adventures. Synonyms for continuous include unbroken, unending, ongoing, and uninterrupted. Antonyms for continuous are intermittent, broken, and stopped. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, continuous. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.